Okay, updates. So we leave tomorrow and we got the majority of things packed last night. We're about 80% packed. And I have been making a list. I've been making this list. It's real short right now. Yep, because I just started making it. I realized that we should probably have a checklist so we don't forget anything. Eric was stressing out last night. He's like, I feel like I'm gonna forget something, so I'm making a list. We just need to gather the clothes. We're each gonna have a pair of shorts, a pair of pants, a sun shirt, and a t-shirt, 2 or 3 pairs of underwear, and 2 or 3 pairs of socks, and that's all we're bringing. And then we'll have like a rain jacket. So that'll be fun. This will be the longest backpacking trip we've ever taken. So we'll see how I do wearing clothes multiple days in a row. Yeah, that'll be fun. I might make a whole nother video about what I'm kind of stressing I'll adapt to out there. But anyway, so yeah, we just got to go over clothes. We're going to just recheck over, make sure we've got everything. And yeah, feeling excited. Still quite a bit overwhelmed, making sure that we actually have everything. I need to check in for our flight like right now and buy our checked bag. Yay!